Alright, so today I'm going to be showing you guys what I eat in a day. Hold on. I'm going to show you guys what I eat in a day as a high raw vegan, you know, to lose weight as well as to stay fit. Alright, so for breakfast I usually have fruit. Today I'm like running a little bit late because I came down a mountain pretty late because I had some business going on. So far all I've had was just this coconut. I want to get at least 2 more fruits in me. So I'm thinking maybe a cherry moya or some mangoes, or if not, maybe some just simple old bananas. So this spot doesn't have it, but me and my friend, mi amigo, Alex, He's not so comfortable with being on camera. Anyways, we're gonna go and hunt down a cherry moya. On the journey of finding a deliciously heart-shaped cherry moya and searching every store, literally, I was actually unsuccessful, unfortunately, but I still managed to get some nutrient-dense fruit, which was about 14 bananas and a bag of strawberries and a papaya, which was all that I needed, honestly. What I love about these strawberries right here is that, like, just smelling these strawberries smells like Kool-Aid. Kool-Aid, right? That smell, you can smell it from the bag, or actually a little further away as well. The strawberries in America don't ever come close to the smell of strawberries here. After breakfast, which was great for weight loss and fitness, if you were wondering, me and my friend Alex headed up to Piedra Dura, which is this beautiful, beautiful place. It has a sauna, a pool, a jacuzzi, and a gym, a calisthenics gym. So me and him, we headed up there, enjoyed the sauna, as well as got a little workout in as well. Like this, not like this. I'm gonna flex real quick, brief. Give me flex. Yeah. Man is high raw vegan, y'all. And I would actually probably say he eats better than me. I'm the coach here. I think he eats better than me. Oh, you don't need much. Like, this is all I've had for breakfast. All I've had was bananas, papaya, coconut, and strawberries, which is 4 fruits. 4 fruits.
Coconut's a nut.
Shut up. It's funny how I actually thought about it.
It's gonna be good for the video.
Anyways, but yeah, so all I've had was fruit today. And you know, what I usually do is eat like 1 cooked food for dinner, or if not 1 cooked food for lunch. And that'll be like what I do. And then the rest of the day, it'll be raw. So with that being said, man, yeah, if you guys need some help going high raw vegan, losing weight and getting fit, you know, you can definitely type in and send me the word high raw vegan on my Instagram, or if not, email me or book the consultation with this link right here. And we can just go from there. But just want to let you guys know that, like, once you get fully adjusted to this lifestyle, like, you can do 100 pull-ups like how we just did. You know, you can go and work out like every day, or if not every other day. You can stay slim like this, you know?
Jeez.
You can get fit. Whoa. Right? Why you exaggerate it?
I'm not bad.
No, but yeah, it's just very easy to maintain something like this, you know? So, but yeah, so right now we're going back to town, and I'm probably gonna get a cooked meal, and, you know, go from there. Or, who knows, maybe stay raw. I don't know. We'll see. But this cornfield is super dope.
Look at how rich this land is. It's mineral dense, that is.
So on our way down the hill, my friend really wanted me to run down the hill to burn some extra calories. And I was like, bro, I don't want to do this. So boom, we ran down the hill, you feel me? And we went to town. And I actually had this hamburguesa right here, which in English is just hamburger. And in Spanish is just hamburguesa. With fries, and I actually didn't even intend to get the fries, but the lady just gave me the fries. I usually get salad, but yeah, I'm not gonna complain. I just ate the fries, you feel me? And yes, I do know fries are not good for you and that they still contribute to heart disease and so many other things, right? But with that being said, man, I have a question for everybody that's watching this. Who do you guys look to for your information? I'm very, very curious. Somebody who I've been watching for a while is Dr. Amin Ra, 1 meal a day. So yeah, I'm curious what you guys watch, and yeah, just comment it down below. But with that being said, man, this is what I eat in a day as a high raw vegan to lose weight as well as to stay fit. You can literally follow this, and I hope this gives you some kind of inspiration to be able to progress on your wellness journey, okay? Like the video, comment, subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace.